What if a single herb from your kitchen cupboard could sharpen your mind, soothe your body, and fortify your health? For centuries, rosemary has been revered not just for its aroma in cooking, but as a powerful medicinal plant. Ancient scholars wore it to improve memory, and modern science is now confirming its remarkable benefits. The secret to unlocking this potential lies in a simple aromatic brew: rosemary tea. This humble infusion concentrates the herb's active compounds into a soothing daily ritual. From fighting inflammation to enhancing cognitive function, its impact on your well-being can be profound. In this video, we'll unveil the 9 fantastic benefits of drinking rosemary tea every day and show you exactly how to make this health-packed beverage right at home. You might be surprised by how much this ancient herb can do for your modern life. 1. Enhanced memory and concentration. Often called the herb of remembrance, rosemary's link to cognitive function is backed by modern science. The key compound, 1,8-cineol, has been found to improve the efficiency of neurotransmitters like acetylcholine in the brain. Inhaling the steam from your tea while you drink it can enhance this effect, leading to sharper focus, improved information retention, and greater mental clarity. Research has shown that even the aroma of rosemary can boost cognitive performance. So, before a big meeting or a study session, brew a cup to help your mind stay alert and your memory recall become faster and more accurate. 2. Improved digestion and bloating relief. For centuries, rosemary tea has been a traditional remedy for a variety of digestive complaints. It acts as a carminative, meaning it helps to relax the muscles of the digestive tract, which can relieve gas, bloating, and uncomfortable cramping. The anti-inflammatory properties also help to soothe an irritated gut lining. A cup after a heavy meal can stimulate bile production, which is essential for the efficient breakdown of fats. This makes it an excellent digestive aid, helping your body process food more smoothly and reducing that overly full, sluggish feeling that can follow a large meal. 4. Strengthened immune defense. In a world full of germs, giving your immune system a natural edge is crucial. Rosemary tea is packed with antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which act as powerful warriors against oxidative stress and free radical damage in your body. These compounds have demonstrated antiviral and antibacterial properties in studies, helping your body fend off common illnesses. Think of each cup as reinforcing your body's natural defense walls, making it more resilient against invaders. Incorporating this tea into your daily routine, especially during cold and flu season, can be a simple yet effective strategy to stay healthy and vibrant. 3. Reduced stress and anxiety. Feeling overwhelmed? The soothing aroma of rosemary tea alone has been shown to lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Sipping on a warm cup provides a moment of mindful calm, encouraging deeper breathing and helping to quiet a racing mind. The compounds in rosemary interact with the nervous system in a way that can promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. It's like a mini meditation in a mug, offering a peaceful respite from a hectic day. Making rosemary tea a part of your evening wind-down ritual can significantly improve your sense of well-being and help you achieve a more restful state. 5. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many modern diseases, from arthritis to heart conditions. Rosemary tea is rich in bioactive compounds that have potent anti-inflammatory effects, inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules in the body. Regular consumption can help to systemically lower inflammation, which may translate to reduced joint pain, less muscle soreness after exercise, and overall improved bodily function. Think of it as a daily internal tune-up, helping to cool the fires of inflammation and support the long-term health of your cells and tissues. 6. Healthy hair and scalp support. The health benefits of rosemary tea aren't just internal, they extend to your appearance as well. Rosemary has been clinically studied for its ability to improve hair growth, rivaling even some commercial treatments. Its circulation-stimulating properties help to increase blood flow to the hair follicles when consumed regularly, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the roots. This can result in stronger, healthier hair and a reduction in scalp dryness and dandruff. While topical applications are common, drinking the tea provides a foundational boost to your hair's health from the inside out. 7. Liver detoxification and support. Your liver works tirelessly to filter toxins from your blood, and rosemary tea can be a powerful ally in this process. The antioxidants in rosemary, particularly carnosic acid, have been shown to protect the liver from toxic damage and support its natural detoxification pathways. By enhancing the production of detoxifying enzymes, rosemary tea helps your body more effectively neutralize and eliminate harmful substances. Incorporating a daily cup can support your body's innate cleansing systems, promoting overall liver health and contributing to your vitality and energy levels. 8. Respiratory relief and congestion clearance. When you're feeling congested, a hot cup of rosemary tea can work wonders. The natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help to soothe irritated airways in your throat and lungs. The steam, infused with rosemary's potent essential oils like cineole, acts as a natural decongestant, helping to break up mucus and phlegm. Inhaling the vapors while you sip can provide immediate relief for sinus pressure and a stuffy nose, making it a comforting and effective natural remedy during allergy season or when battling a cold. 9. Enhanced circulation and heart health. Supporting your cardiovascular system is another key benefit of this potent herb. Rosemary tea has been shown to help improve blood circulation throughout the body, ensuring that your muscles and organs receive optimal oxygen and nutrients. The antioxidants help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key step in the formation of arterial plaque. Furthermore, some studies indicate it can have a mild supportive effect on maintaining healthy blood pressure. This combination of improved blood flow and arterial protection makes it a heart-healthy choice for your daily routine. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make. Simply steep a fresh spring or a teaspoon of dried rosemary in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Sweeten with a little honey if you like, and enjoy the myriad of benefits. If you're excited to give your health this simple yet powerful boost, hit the like button, let us know in the comments which benefits surprised you the most, and subscribe for more natural health tips.